Okay. According to the question, two boxes in contact are pushed along the floor with the force F. The boxes move at constant speed. Box SX has the mass M and Y is having the mass 2M. What is the resultant force acting on Y? Well, this becomes a special case of theory part that is behind it. So first of all, we have to do the theory and we will learn like how to do these kind of questions. It's a very simple thing. Just let us be very quick at that. In this, there is step number one. What is the step? We will find the total acceleration first of all. So total acceleration of this should be F divided by total mass. So total mass in this case, not in this case, I'm just going to do a special case now. Let us call this M1 and this as M2. So AT is equal to this. This is the total acceleration. So this mass M2 is also moving at this acceleration only. Now, what is the step two? We want to find the force on 2M. So the force on M2 will be equal to M into A. So the mass is M2 into acceleration is AT because it is moving with AT acceleration. So it will be given by F divided by M1 plus M2. So this is basically the resultant force that is acting on mass M2. What I have done in step one, I have found the total acceleration of both of the blocks. So if F force is acting on it, then the total acceleration, the resulting acceleration of the mass 2 will be given by F divided by M1 plus M2. So if this is the resultant acceleration of the block Y, what is the net force on Y? F is equal to M into A. Mass of Y multiplied by the resultant acceleration of Y, which is F by M1 plus M2. And that is what I have done. So this is the force on M2. But in this question, this is a special case question. Now, what is written? The boxes are moving at constant speed. Now, this means there is no acceleration. The acceleration is zero. And how come the acceleration can be zero if the force F is applied? The acceleration cannot be zero if the force is applied to the body. Now it is given in the question that there is no acceleration and velocities are constant. So we will say that the forces are zero. If the net force is zero, obviously the force acting on Y has to be zero. So our answer will be A. Without even thinking for 1 minute, we can answer it that if it is moving at a constant speed, the answer has to be zero. But in this video, I have also given you the methodology of how to solve these kind of questions if ever again you confront them. All the best.